Okay, question number 10 is a different question from 8 and 9. It's asking, is x plus 2 a factor of the equation p of x equals 3x squared plus x minus 10? To answer this, well, I mean, it's a yes or no question. If the answer is yes, then whenever I divide p of x by x plus 2, my remainder should be 0. If the answer is no, then I should have some kind of remainder after doing that division. So essentially the question is asking, when I divide p of x by x plus 2, what's my remainder? So we're going to find that out. So what we do is we take the polynomial that we're dividing, p of x, and we divide it by x plus 2. Now, this is written a little bit of a different way, but the steps are still the same. You still take your division factor, and you change that positive 2 to a negative 2. And then we start to draw our box. Now, the coefficients are going to come from p of x over here. We have 3x squared, so my first coefficient is 3, plus x, that's a coefficient of 1 for my x term. And then we have a negative 10 in the ones place. Finish my box off by drawing that space for the remainder. And then the process, once again, still the same. Bring the 3 straight down. Take that 3 times negative 2, you get negative 6. Add these straight down. 1 plus negative 6 is negative 5. Take that negative 5 times negative 2, you get positive 10. Okay, negative 10 plus 10 is 0. And since my remainder is 0, the answer to the question is yes. There's a follow-up part to this question, however. If the answer is yes, you have to write p of x as a product of your two factors. Okay, your two factors are going to be the one you just divided by and this one that we just created from the algorithm. Okay, remember that since we started with the highest power of 2 in p of x, my highest power was 2. That means that after this division, my highest power is going to be 1. So this is going to be 3x plus negative 5. Okay, so my next factor after this division is just 3x minus 5. Okay, this factor and this factor, when you multiply them together, you will get p of x, and you can check that for yourself. X plus 2 times 3x minus 5, you will get p of x. So now we just have to write p of x as a product of those two factors, x plus 2 times 3x minus 5. So the answer is yes, and then we rewrote p of x as a product.